Welcome back, my friends. Today I have two legendary wands going to the same place in Kirkland, Washington, and these are really cool legendary wands. One of them is black walnut wood, 12 inches, with a dragon heartstring. That is this one right here. And I'll show some close-ups of that. And then this one is quite unique. It has a squared shaft, and it comes to it tapers to a round point, but it's squared from the handle out. And then I've got some different runes on here, and it has a grip. This one is Holly 13.5 unicorn hair, and then it has a dragon scale leather grip. So I might have to show you on the close-up here, but every little bit of these two little black bands here are little scale pieces of leather. So it's like a dragon hide grip, and then it has a little metal pommel cap. But yes, these two are really good legendary wands, and we'll be shipping those off today. So tell me what you think about these ones.